My name's Kyle Ahlenstorf. I'm the CEO at Infinity Health. I grew up in small rural Kansas, ended up going to K-State for undergrad. I have been married for 13 years to my wife, Betsy. I'm also a K-State grad and Kansas native. And then we've got 3 boys, our oldest Hank, and then twins, Winston and Graham. Very active, sports, homeschool, family vacations, going and visiting grandparents, friends, birthday parties, just your traditional small town family, just trying to enjoy one another. So for me, starting out my career as an occupational therapist, I started at a critical access hospital in Plainville, Kansas. That is an area that became a passion of mine. Rural healthcare to me is more important than anything else. And the vibrance of rural healthcare is what keeps small town communities moving. I was looking for another opportunity to kind of make some advancements in my career. Came up and visited Iowa, and it was very similar to what I grew up in. It reminds me a lot of my hometown, small town. I grew up in a population of 3,200 people, very similar to what Leon and Lamoni are. So it's not just about providing healthcare. It's about keeping communities healthy. It's about keeping people in their community. It's about connection. It's about bringing value to people that you care about and you see on a daily basis. The layout that separates Infinity Health is the vast nature of the number of clinics that we have. It's unique in that way. We serve 11 different locations. We try to bring the same value to each location, and we want every community to feel like we're a family member of theirs. So Leon is our largest facility. So here in Leon, we offer medical, dental, behavioral health, and pharmacy services. The unique thing about that is somebody can come in, they can get their annual physical, they can get their dental cleaning, and if they need any behavioral health services or mental health support, we've got psychiatrists on staff, we've got therapists on staff, we've got care coordinators on staff that can kind of help people navigate the system as a whole. So Leon is our one-stop shop. We're able to maintain and build out this facility to be able to offer all the services. My goal in the future is to be able to have other facilities like what we have in Leon. What Infinity Health offers can't be replicated at other areas rapidly. It's taken 30 years for Infinity Health to get to the position that they're in. And for that to be replicated would take an enormous investment. The mission of Infinity Health is to be able to provide quality care across our region. Our values are important just to make sure that we're showing dignity and respect to the patients that come in. One of my personal values is just to be kind and caring to the people that we take care of. I had a negative healthcare experience in my life, and I don't want anybody else to go through that. When people come for help, they need help, and there shouldn't be any judgment. We offer top-notch care. Our medical providers are as good as you're going to find anywhere else. So Infinity Health offers sliding fee scales that patients can come in. If they're uninsured or underinsured, we can set up financial plans to be able to get them access to care. Being the CEO at Infinity Health, it's been very rewarding to me. Being able to make the impacts in all the communities that we serve. There's a lot of responsibility, but at the end of the day, knowing the people that we serve in these smaller communities or underserved communities and taking care of the patients that we take care of, it's an important job, and it's not something to be taken lightly. Interacting with patients, interacting with staff, and providing any support that I can provide is what really makes my day special. To learn more about Infinity Health, please visit our website. We are infinityhealth.org.